In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get a fishing license in Ontario. To get started, head over to ontario.ca. You can basically use the search bar and simply type in fishing license for you to be able to get to this page. Now from here, as you can see, the first thing that you should do is to get an outdoors card. It is a small plastic ID that is valid for 3 years, which is required for most fishing licenses. And as you can see here, that you also have to be 18 years old and over or under 65 years old. Once you have or order your outdoors card, buy a fishing license. It is available as 1 year or 3 year licenses or even a 1 day license if you're just outing for a day. Licenses come in two types. First is sport for normal catch limits or conservation for reduced catch limits. You can get your outdoors card and license online via the official portal or in person at participating Service Ontario centers or license issuers. But if you buy a 1 day license, you don't need the outdoors card. You can buy your outdoors card by following this link. You will then be redirected to the Hunt and Fish Ontario page. Now, from here, just click on Buy License and enter draws. You will then be prompted to log in first before you can proceed with the purchase. After your pay, your outdoors card will then be mailed. It usually takes up about 20 days, but you can start fishing immediately using a license summary, print, or digital as temporary proof. When combined, carry your outdoors card when you get it and fishing license or license summary whenever you fish. If asked by a conservation officer, you must present them. Make sure that you check fishing seasons, catch limits, and zone rules. Those depend on where and when you fish. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!